In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an employer's account on Glassdoor. Welcome everyone, Danny this side. So let's get started. First off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in Glassdoor, or you can just simply type in glassdoor.nl. You will see the first official website of Glassdoor. Simply click on that website, and if you are new to Glassdoor, click on sign in. The sign in option will appear on the right side. Just sign in with your email and password, and then Glassdoor will ask you some simple questions. Answer those questions, and then you will be welcome to the homepage of Glassdoor. And if you already have an account, just simply click on login, and then you will be logged into the Glassdoor account. Now, after coming to the homepage, scroll down at the bottom, and you will see the option of employers, and under the employers section, you will see request a free employer account. Click on this. So if you want to create an employer account, you have to sign out with your employee account. So first sign out from your employee account, and then from here you can create your own employer account. So after signing out, create an account, or you can just simply sign up, and this will show you the advantages of joining Glassdoor as an employer. You can read all these, and after that, you can create your own account. You can continue with Google, with Apple, or you can write your own email. I'll just continue with my Google. As you can see, I have selected my email account, and after that, I am back as an employer in Glassdoor. But make sure, guys, not to sign in with your employee account. Your employee and your employer account must be different on Glassdoor. If they are not different, Glassdoor will not sign you in as an employer. So remember that, and this is how you can open your employer account on Glassdoor. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.